DRTrack is Trimble's web-based user interface for simple route planning and dispatch. Your organization will access DRTrack from a custom URL. Each user has an assigned level of access, called a user group, which determines what features they can view and change in DRTrack. In this video, we will show you how to log in to DRTrack. Let's begin. To sign into DRTrack, navigate to your organization's custom URL, written as your company name, appiantracking.com/default.aspx. Enter the username and password assigned to you by your administrator. Contact your administrator to obtain or reset your password. Click the Login button. The DRTrack landing page opens. You are now ready to use DRTrack. You have completed the logging into DRTrack training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.